Hey, I gotta thank Susie at Nail Career Education. I had these 2-inch long nails. They were like here, and they hurt all night. I mean, every time I even rolled over in my sleep. And now, look at these. Okay, so I cut them. As soon as I cut the length, the pain was gone immediately. And then I filed and buffed and repainted these, just kind of to add, it added a few extra coats. They're a little thick, but they look really nice now. My striping, I really got to practice on striping better. It's a little thicker than I wanted, but, I'm still really kind of proud of these because I was so sick when I made these. and I used those magnetic, the blue is the magnetic, those magnetic polishes, and then this is 2 different polishes from Beetles. It's a purple, dark purple base coat, kind of a jelly, sort of see-through, and then sort of a purple sparkly. I'll put the numbers below for the colors I used, but check me out. So this is how these nails turned out, and I just wanted to show off some of my fidget spinner rings too. These are cool if you have some anxiety going on. Sometimes I like to see if I can, Sometimes I like to see if I can get them all going on one hand at one time. Anyway, some of these are just little beads you can spin. These are the nails I did. I was trying out striping brush. Okay, it's a little thick, but I was also building. It's like 3D kind of, and I sort of liked that. And then I'll show you the thumbs. I like that. I think that's kind of cool. So I'm going to leave the colors below, but this is blue magnetic stuff, and I used 2 magnets. These are kind of inspired by Miss Jo's Nail Co. I'll leave her link below. She's pretty cool. She's a very talented artist. I should have tried a snowflake here. So, but I'm just getting a hang of stripy tools. And, like how hard to hold them down. Like this is a lighter touch. And you get like more of a, there we go. You can see more of a 3D nail. Yeah. Okay. And then this part here, I used magnets to do. I'll leave the brand below. Then this is 2 coats. It's 2 colors. The first color is a dark purple by Beetles. And then 2 coats of sort of a shimmery purple by Beetles. Okay? They're both by Beetles. And then this is the top coat. Of course, I started with a base coat. Same brand base coat. Okay. And then this is the result. Plus, happy. And then I made my own cuticle oil, which I've already applied. This stuff smells like patchouli and vanilla, which is kind of herbal and sweet. I kind of like it. And them's the nails. And okay, so anyway, do you like them? I like them. All right, bye. Yeah, all right, so I just watched a video that I'm gonna put the link to below. I painted these over a few days. I was sick, so I took lots of breaks, but I painted these over the course of a few days. And if they look greasy, it's because I just put cuticle oil on. Anyway, so these are really sore. Anytime they clip anything, they're really sore. Well, anyway, my natural nails are only like that long. They're pretty short. So the video I watched explained how long your nails should be before you try 2-inch nails. So I'm going to clip these down and see if that makes them hurt less. Let me see if I can find my clipper. I have a clipper here. I can't believe I did this. It's so silly. Okay. Leave it to me though, right? I'm going to see if this makes it hurt less. I'm just going to go with this length, right? And then I can just, I can just file them, I guess, right? And then they won't be so painful. I hate doing that. Look at that. I worked so hard on them. But I think this is going to help make them hurt less. And I think that, I mean, they already feel better. They're not as sore now as before. So I think that that's already helping. So I'm going to leave the link to the video down below, because as much as it hurts to do this, like emotionally, I don't want to do this. I worked on these, but it was hard even sleeping. Anytime I rolled over anything, they hurt. So like doing anything with these was kind of painful. And now I can just, now I can just file these to a better size, maybe give them an extra top coat. I cut that just a little more. It's hard to do these even sometimes. There, that's a little more straight. And it's a little, it'll be a little easier to pick things up now. I think this is better. This is more in my league. So, yeah, I'll just file these down a little more. And, they're just supposed to be weekend nails, but I didn't want to give myself something that would hurt, you know? So anyway, I thought they were really pretty. I was trying to practice the striping thing, which I don't think I did all that great a job on anyways. These aren't like the prettiest nails in the world, but they're very shimmery. And I had fun with like the magnetic polish on this side, and then sparkle polish on the other side, and then the stripey thing, and then coordinating the colors this way was fun. But yeah, I'm done with nails so long that it hurts. So I'm just gonna file these, and we'll see how that works. All right. All right. I filed these down. I think this is a much more reasonable length, and they already stopped hurting. So, you know, some of the polish came off in some areas. So I think I might, I don't know, maybe use a little purple fade or something like that towards the top of each one to kind of get some of that color back, and then I'll top coat these, and then I'll do pictures. But anyway, thank you, Susie. My fingers already stopped hurting, so yay, and I still get to keep looking at my pretty colors. I know it's not the same, but hey, I have nails that are covered and they look kind of pretty. These are my weekend nails, so excited. Have a great weekend and be kind to yourself and others. Bye.